Hey, Kevin here from NC South. I found a really great way to track how users are using my website, so I thought I'd share that. This example is very particular to Bubble, but there's also the option for the traditional coding folk out there to add this to their website. So the way to do this is through a product called Microsoft Clarity. So you can just head to clarity.microsoft.com. And they actually claim here that it will be free forever. So no additional cost to try it out. But once you've signed up, you set up a project. So yeah, it's easy enough to work your way through that. I'm not, as I've already set it up, I'm not going to go through all of that again. But once you've got it set up, you can come into the settings. And there's actually a couple of ways you can add this to start tracking your app or your website. There's for traditional sites encoded options. They give you this script that you just add to the head element of your site. But as we're all about no code and low code, I'm using it on a Bubble website, like I said. So there's all these platforms that support it. We can go to Bubble, and it actually gives you a step-by-step instruction on how to do this. So there's a Microsoft Clarity plugin, as you can see. Install that to your app. Use the product ID that they give you, and away you go. Obviously, you'll have to publish those changes to your live app before it can take effect. But yeah, and it takes for you maybe an hour or so for it to fully flow through to Clarity. But once you've got it flowing through, so on the dashboard, there's a few stats here. It's quite handy. How long people have spent on your app, how many sessions you've had, pages they've gone to, breakdown of the users, some other insights, dead clicks, where the traffic's coming from, devices or browsers. I think there's devices here, split between PC, mobile, even the operating systems that customers are using, breakdown of countries. Yeah, so if you need to target a particular subset of users or clients, this is really handy. Yeah, some errors there as well. Let's have a look. No, that's good. But the thing that I found really useful is this recording section. So you can actually watch how users have used your site. So let's find one here. Maybe let's go this one. Always good to have this enabled to skip inactivity. Otherwise, you might be sitting there if the user is not doing anything. But as you can see, it actually shows you what the user did on the site, how they navigated around, where they went, and the like. So if there's one particular area of your site that you actually wanted users to go to and they're not, you can maybe see why that's happening. The other thing is it's got these heat maps. So again, it'll show you where the bulk of your clicks and user activity has happened on your site. Yeah, so really easy to use, really easy to set up, pretty straightforward, but I think there's quite a bit of value that you can get from having this on your app or on your site. So yeah, feel free to check it out, Microsoft Clarity. So that's Microsoft Clarity. Hopefully you've found that useful and you can potentially implement it either in your own project or for your clients. And speaking of clients, we help clients with custom web applications built in Bubble. We can help you set up solutions in Smart Suite or do hourly consulting if you're stuck on a particular problem, and we help you get unstuck. We've also been doing quite a bit of integration work with leveraging the power of Make.com, formerly known as Integromat. So if any of those sound like something that you'd be interested in or would need help with, feel free to head over to our website. We will actually know if you do. No, just kidding. And book a free call. We'd be more than happy to have a chat and see how we can help you. All right. Take care.